To submit documents to Amazon Prime for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents required for account approval. This may include identification, proof of address, and any other relevant information specified by Amazon. Step 2. Log into your Amazon account. Access your Amazon account by visiting the Amazon website or using the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account and List section. From there, select your account and look for the option related to Prime membership or account verification. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your prepared documents. Ensure that the files are in the correct format and meet any size limitations specified by Amazon. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your documents to ensure everything is correct. Submit your documents and look for a confirmation message or email from Amazon regarding the status of your account approval. Once you have completed these steps, wait for Amazon to process your submission. You will receive updates on your account approval status via email.